Hello everyone! Let's make sweet potato bread. So we need one sweet potato and we are going to boil this up. So this is 1 cup of warm water. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of active dried yeast and stir this up, and we are going to set this aside for at least 5 minutes. So this is 2 tablespoons of chopped rosemary. Right, so the sweet potato is cooked and we are going to mash this. And I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoon of salt into the flour. And then the chopped rosemary. And next is the yeast mixture. And I have also added 2 tablespoons of oil into it. And I'm just going to mix it up. And then we can add in the mashed sweet potato into it and press the button to make a dough. And if you don't have this machine, you can just use your hand to knead your dough. So my dough is done and I have sprayed some oil into a bowl. Put the dough in, cover it, and set it aside for at least 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I'm going to take this out and I'm going to knead it for a few minutes, just like so. Cut the dough in half. And then you can just shape it to whatever shape you like. And then I'm going to set this aside again for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can now bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. Right, our sweet potato bread is cooked and I'm going to cut this so you guys can see the inside. This bread smells so good and really soft. This is really yummy with coffee.